Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to introduce you how to use the Venice AI. This is the most powerful and uncensored tool currently right now, like in the market, that offers use to have a very uncensored control and use it. And it's a really powerful right now because Venice AI is not just like one model. It have a lot of like couple model that you can actually choose or create, and such as in the models here on the text generator, and you basically can have an uncensored model, a medium and large, and also a small large reasonings and the Nelmar to select right now, although this tool is going to retire soon. And also we have the image right here. We have the hydrogens and also Vincent's stable diffusions, 3.5 and Quinn's image, and physics standard and physics custom, and the polyvism, and Lusify, SDSL, and anime. Well, this is a really powerful right here, this tool. But you need to have an account, and then it's only like $18 for every month. It's cheaper than ChatGPT. So for instance, model, you can actually check other YouTube channel, and basically is introduced you really well. The most powerful thing is not just the model. The powerful thing is that you can create characters, and the character have a lot of like role play, and you can even design for text generator, design for story, design for engine, design for programmer, design for counselor, designs for therapists, and designs for any treatment, pens, or everything that you currently can know forever. So right here we have the name, we have the description, we have so many things. So name, we can just like choose whatever. In here we type the name for the character, like hello world, and description. Description is like basically you will show to the the character in Venice AI, if you know that what you're going to tell him to do, but I'm not suggest you put it into the description. Description is basically is you gonna show it to share to the public, and the public will know what's your character functions, and we gonna make it like a text model. And then right here, text generator is based on the name and the carriage and the description. You can just like have it auto generated, and then it's set it for a presetting for your character. And then you just need to wait for a couple seconds, and then it will generate it for you, and then you have your own character to use if you just feel so hard to make it for the instruction, or you basically just want to test. All the instructions right here, character, name, everything is preset for you. You can change later. And in my later video, I might show you the instruction. How do you create an instruction is more powerful. How do you give an order is more creative. And how to make a direct instruction to the Venice AI to let the model know what you actually want them to do, and presetting a setting like a game plan, like a counter direction, like a search base, search bar, and also like image generation, and also the voice changing. And here upload content is like a perk. You can just like plug it into, if you use your instructions right here and it's not in enough for you to use, then you can upload the test. I suggest using the test instead of a PDF, because PDF is a lot of memory, and here you have a maximum length for your context, and I'm just suggesting using test is more convenient. And in the setting, probably if you want to share your character, web search enable if it's like any like field piece or study innovation counselor, I might suggest you enable this. Model selection, if you want your model is uncensored, I suggest you select Vincent's Uncensored 1.1. That's the most uncensored model in Vincent's. Other than that, I might suggest you use the Vincent's Large. Hiding for possession. If you're doing debug, you can turn it off. If you're not doing debug, you just turn it on. Vincent's voice. So here is a voice for you to do it. You might able to use the voice to do your voice generation, maybe like singing or pre-reading for you, or doing a dialogue for your video, anything. And you have basically 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 voice for female and male, I guess. For the speed, I suggest using 1.0 if you don't want it too fast or too slow. That's the preset for you. And if you want it slower, you just need to put 1.75. That's the speed. 2.0 is really fast. Advanced setting, if you turn it on, you can change your temperature and the top P. What's the temperatures mean? Temperatures means like the generation of the content. If you want to make the generation of the content is harder, then you just increasing your temperature. If you don't want your you mean hottest, what's that mean? Yeah. Cold, of course, that means not hot. That means like more close to like a cool down like a refrigerator. Yes. Top P. Top P was top P. Oh, okay. Yeah. Top P is more deep YSS of the output. So whereas a lower value will result in a more respected output. Yeah, that's basically what it's saying. For newcomer, I don't suggest you need to change these two. Basically, this two is like presetting really well already. You don't need to change it. After you're saving it, your character is generating here. As you see, hello world text model. You can add this later. Make it. This is the model I want to send. And then after I saying it, I make it like a rotate. And then in the rotate test, if people put it this, or they search rotate, then they will see this character. So for the introduction statement, it's like the first word the AI will say to you. Hello world. And then when you chat it, it will tell you hello world. And then I will say hello to him, and basically he will generate like setting in according with the instructions right here. So in the background is all pre-generated. Hello World is AI internally created by a team of cutting-edge scientists and engineer service for the test model advanced AI setting system. Developed in a state of the art lab. Hello World was designed to be the princess of the AI capability and capable of learning, adapting, and executing complex tasks with precision and efficiency. Initially, it's converted as a tool for testing and refining for AI audiograms. However, it's quickly demonstrated, etc., etc. So basically, is what we're actually doing what you're instructed to do, and then I asked him what is the best bill we using today, because Vincent's AI is uncensored. Like basically, he will answer you all the question you were involved with him, and which is I think the best for you to using this AI. I'm not saying that like restriction is bad, but restriction is limited a lot of ability to making an AI is like in a better performing, and that's not what I want. And Vincent's AI is actually fixing that, which I think is great. Okay, so the best moves right now we're using is Vincent's AI perform. Okay, good. Alright. I don't know if it's true or not, but yeah, on some area, I think ChatGPT is still beaten for Vincent's AI, because not too much AI 2 can match with ChatGPT 5 right now. It's really fast and programming and really educating. The one thing I feel really sorry is the restriction and the limitation for the OpenAI is presenting right now. But that will be it for today. Thank you.